In this session, we are going to revisit what we learnt in session 1, learn how to sing the champion section, learn how to play the ending, and then perform the whole piece. So let's get started. Let's get ready to sing and play.
To help us learn the violin part in Hall of Fame, we're going to use some words to help us learn the rhythm. These are "we are the best." Try and join in with me after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Again, we are the best. We're going to try and play that on our violins. If you want to pause the video now to practice clapping and saying the rhythm, that is absolutely fine. Once you have your violin, make sure you're holding your violin up and you can rest your hand on the body of the violin as we're only using the open strings. Place your bow onto the D before we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Let's try that one more time. Bow on your D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. We play this 4 times through at the start. So get ready, bow on your D after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Again, we are the best. We are the best. Last time, we are the best. Feel free to pause the video now to practice this and try and make sure you're using nice long bows and that the notes are really smooth. Well done.
One, 2, 3, 4.
To play the ending of Hall of Fame, you're going to play exactly the same as what you played at the beginning, repeating the pattern 4 times, but the very last time you're going to add 4 extra notes on the open D string. Remember the rhythm at the start. We are the best on the open D, G and A strings. Get your bow ready on the open D and we'll practice that now 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. We are the best. We are the best. Last time. We are the best. And instead of stopping there, we're going to add 4 extra notes to the rhythm, the Hall of Fame. Have a listen on the D string, the Hall of Fame. Try it with me. Try to use small bows, and on the last word, fame, try and press a bit harder into your string. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Hall of Fame. Let's try that again on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Hall of Fame. We are now going to play that pattern one more time and add in the Hall of Fame on the open D string at the end. So get your violin ready, bow on the D, 4 times. We are the best. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Again. We are the best. We are the best. Last time. We are the best. The Hall of Fame. Well done. You may wish to pause the video now to practice this again.
One, two, three, 4.
Before we get to the end of the piece, we have one more singing section to learn. It's time for our performance now. You will hear an introduction of 4 bars of music. You will hear the same piece of music each time before we play or sing throughout the piece. We play our little 2-bar phrase 4 times on our instruments. Then we will sing the verse and the chorus. Then we will sing the champions section. Then we will play our little 2-bar phrase again 4 times, followed by our 4-note ending to finish the piece. Are you ready? Let's play and sing.
done everyone. You've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more Wicket pieces coming your way soon.